You are your record. And our record in this country right now is $33 trillion in debt, facing $2 trillion annual deficits. We're in so much debt. We're driving up deficits so fast. We are devaluing American money so rapidly that in America today, you can't even bribe Democrat senators with cash alone. You need to bring gold bars to get the job done, just so that the bribes hold value.
Hana, Uribe, and Davies provided bribes in the form of cash, gold, home mortgage payments, a low-show or a no-show job for Nadine Menendez.
According to the indictment, the couple allegedly accepted hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of bribes from the three men. FBI agents raided the Menendez home in June of 2022, uncovering over $480,000 in cash, stuffed in envelopes and closets.
There are things that Senator Menendez says he can do for his constituents, and things that he says he cannot do for his constituents. But we allege that behind the scenes, Senator Menendez was doing those things for certain people.
Even with the fiat US dollar index enjoying relative strength versus other competing fiat currencies over the last decade, apparently we are now reaching the phase of collapsing empire where bullion, aside from cash, is required to bribe our lawmakers. You think inflation is bad using fiat US dollars at the moment? Imagine using these relatively weaker fiat currencies over the last 10 years. Even so, over the last decade, the value of gold bullion has been able to climb and prove itself as a reliable store of value in fiat US dollar terms, even during the dollar's bull market in relative value. What happens to gold's future value as inevitable secular bear market and the fiat US dollar's purchasing power eventually returns? A news item that made rounds this week was the unsurprising news that US-based Costco customers are quickly buying gold bullion bars off their website in limits of 2 troy ounce maximum allotments per customer.
Speaking of money, listen to this. Costco says it can't keep one item in stock. Big box retailers selling 1 ounce gold bars online for more than $1,900. Company's CFO says that they sell out within a matter of hours. Company's limiting 2 per member, and as of this morning, 1 ounce of gold is priced at $1,919.
Meanwhile, unsecured gold ETF shareholders in Western world have been net sellers of derivative ETF gold since the start of this year, 2023. And while Westerners are left scratching their heads about why the world's collective gold price has remained so buoyant in the face of fiat US dollar strength and record-paced interest rate rises worldwide, available export-import data shows that much unsecured Western ETF gold bullion underlying is fleeing east, specifically to China of late, as we again witnessed another week of headlines pointing out still stubbornly high gold price premiums locally being paid in China, as much as $120 an ounce over Western gold spot price quotes. Since the 2008 global financial crisis, China has been the biggest gold bullion buying market in the world, followed closely by India. That's over the last 15 years. And since 2010, China has also been the world's largest miner of gold in per year volumes mined. Here's the last 20 years of local gold price premiums paid for China, so you can better understand what anomaly this phenomenon has been of late. Now, the main driver behind why such high gold bullion premiums are being paid locally in China really revolves around the underlying understandable fear of citizens in China that their fiat yuan renminbi currency will continue devaluing in purchasing power, as it recently has, versus gold and other competing stores of value. It's a reasonable guess that with today's price sell-off in gold, local bullion buying demand in China will likely increase as those locally take advantage of this recent spot price dip. After all, they, like we, are also printing their fiat currency's value into future oblivion. Hello, this is James Anderson on behalf of SD Bullion. Smash the like button if you enjoy these bullion market updates, and be sure to visit sdbullion.com/sweepstakes to enter our free 500-ounce Silver Eagle coin giveaway.
Want to win 500 Silver Eagle coins just like this guy?
Yeah, this is Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. This is Dr. Tyler Wall, CEO of SD Bullion. I'm calling you to let you know that you won the SD Bullion giveaway of a monster box of 2022 Silver Eagles.
Unbelievable. That is awesome.
So click the link below for your chance to win.
Good luck to all of you out there who enter our free 500-ounce American Silver Eagle coin giveaway sweepstakes. It was a very volatile day to close this week in silver and gold derivative trading. The spot silver price and spot gold price both closed sharply down on the week. The spot silver price finished at just over 22 an ounce bid, while the spot gold price closed the week just under 1,850 an ounce bid. The spot gold silver ratio gyrated just below 80 earlier today, Friday, only to have the COMEX derivative smashdown take effect and keep the spot GSR at 83. There are many gold and silver onlookers looking for the eventual flush lower in gold-silver ratio, as technically it has looked as if it was setting up to do so. While this morning apparently a rotation into silver or a possible short squeeze in silver looked like it was underway, only to be crushed by heavy volume COMEX derivative silver futures selling, knocking the spot price down over $1 an ounce intraday. So, will spot prices continue falling? Well, we'll see if support around $22.50 an ounce silver and $1,850 an ounce gold can hold. Otherwise, perhaps we can fall a bit further. But I would simply suggest for those of you out there who are dollar cost averaging into bullion to take the long view. You can visit us at www.sdbullion.com/deals to take advantage of today's spot price dip and get your bullion while spot price weakness lasts. That's going to be all for this week's SD Bullion Market Update. As always, to you out there, take great care of yourselves and those you love. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with those you love. Subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button so you know when we publish new bullion market updates.